Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp19 Assess Chapter 4 Cap from Conference. Okay, I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp email. My WhatsApp email are given in the description and shown in PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is that Exp19 Assess Chapter 4 Cap Form Conferences. Here's project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay. I am handling many student courses, Pearson, Sandgate, and many more colleges. Okay, customer 1 is that start assess, open the download assess file. Basically, in this question, we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download it easily from your portal, Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this file. I have also downloaded. Question number 2 is that create a form using the form tool based on the presenter table. Change the title in the form header to enter added presenter. Okay. Basically, in this question, we will have to create a form using the form tool based. Okay. Moving on assess file, and then we will have to create a form. Click on create. Okay, select presenter table and then click on create. Okay, form will be created. Click on create, click on form and then select presenter table. Presenter table. Okay, then title of form header to enter. Title of form to enter added presenters. Okay. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 3. Reduce the field value control width to approximately half their original size to approximately 3.6 mark on the horizontal ruler. Delete the subform. Basically, in this question, we will have to reduce the field value control width approximately 3.6 inches. Okay. Click on added existing field. Click on property sheet. And then you can weigh this 3.6 inches. Okay. Press, you can cross this. Mark horizontal ruler, delete this subform. Okay. Question 4 is that sort the records by last name in ascending order. Save the form as added presenters. Save the form as added presenters. Sort the record by last name in ascending order. Moving on assess file and click on last name and sort this ascending order. Okay. Sort the last name as ascending order. Click on home tab and then in ascending order last name. Okay. Save the form as added presenter. Right click on this and save as presenters. Okay, edit presenters. Press OK. It will be rename as this name. Form will be save as this name and close the form. Right click on this and close the form. Okay, this is done now. Save and close this form. Moving on question number 5. In question 5, open the location information from the layout view. Apply the stacked layout control to the form. Save and close the form. Open the location information from in layout view. Moving on a SAS file, and then we will have to open the location information from in layout view. Location information and click on view tab and click on layout view. Okay, it will be open in layout view. Apply the stacked layout control to the form. Okay, apply stacked layout view. Right click on this and click on layout, and then you can select stacked layout. Save and close the form. Right click on this save, and then right click on this close the form. Okay, I have done half assignment. For remaining question or you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing, and many more courses. I will provide you a plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.